For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Golden Arrows 1, Orlando Pirates 2 in the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates still refusing to go away in the league, although, of course, I mean, it will really be ridiculous for us to keep on talking about the league picture because it seems really wrapped up, but Orlando Pirates refusing to get away. Golden Arrows, the best team or the better team in the first half. Of course, the point of team talks is for coaches to change things tactically, for coaches to uplift their team if they're struggling, and that's exactly what happened because Orlando Pirates, the quality that they are anyways, they just needed to be jump-started, and they were jump-started indeed. In the second half, they were so much better, winning and scoring 2 goals. Golden Arrows deserve something in this game. However, they couldn't take their opportunities in the first half. Bobo, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Asibonge manithi ngibulise uJusto.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise uTso noLindo kanye no Junior.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nkululeko ithi sibongise Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates and the coach Rivero and the technical team, the players. I think badlale kahle kakhulu especially ukuthola la maximum points today. First half it was not like easy for Orlando Pirates the way iqale ngakhona. I-Arrows yes ngibonile ball position kwangathi Pirates beyingenhla the way ngibona ama stats ngakhona, but i-Golden Arrows created more chances than Orlando Pirates. I think 4 clear chances ku Golden Arrows first half. La ngibone Orlando Pirates iba ne chance e1 clear chances yaka Dlamini. La amanye nje uma ungabheka ngibone enye yes second chance, but it was a half chance for me nale ilethwe uKimvuti eboxini lightly record umdlalo ofana noNdwandwe. So for me I think iGolden Arrows beyenza kahle kakhulu because uma ungabheka bebakhona ukubreaka lawa ama line iOrlando Pirates ukufika ku final third. Even though decision making final third beba poor because if beba good bekumele ngabe mhlambe bakhonile ukuconvert lawa ma chances siswela ubona ubuthelezi kungasilo umuntu ongamthemba lapha emapalini. I think kunama mistake amaningi kakhulu. Ngibona amabhola amaningi ku build up ubuthelezi uyawakhahlela ngaphandle. Bamnikeza ichance ukuthi a start play nale 2 center back eOrlando Pirates which is Mbokazi noXoki, but iGolden Arrows beyazi ukuthi uma ngabe ibhola sinikeza uXoki space ukuthi alibambe bayampressa. Ukumpress uXoki kumele alibisele kubani kubuthelezi le nokuthi after Buthelezi alwin uzolikhahlela and beyangawakhahleleli mhlawumbe ukuthi wanikeza ama teammates wakhe bokumuntu wakhahlela ngaphandle. So akekho sharp enyaweni uButhelezi onama mistakes embonile awenza and handling yakhe ayikho sharp uButhelezi. So
I was about to ask, is that game time or uye nje ukanjalo uButhelezi?
Hayi, from ku-Test Galaxy Nkululeko. Just that abantu abaningi sibukela lama game badlala nama A game unama mistake especially ukuhandling uButhelezi naku build up unama mistake amaningi kakhulu. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukungabi khona kumdlalo ofana noChina ila iPirates kubanikeza inkinga especially ne build up lapha emuva. That is why ungaboni badlala bafana noMakhawule bangakhona ukuthi badlale banodlamini because i build up mayingekho lapha emuva kuyoba nzima for bona ukudlala uyabona. So but mina ngiyamnikeza a credit to coach because wenzile ama changes. I think bekana badlala bawu4 laba baqale igame esibiya kuyo eDerby. So the rest labadlala bawu7 abadlala balethe manje and akho easy man uchange lineup Nkululeko uphinde udlale kahle uthola ama results. That is why first half ngibone ngathi bekunzima for yena ukuthi iOrlando Pirates ikhone ukubamba le speed lesabondwandwe banaso in the middle of the park nabadlala bafana nabozwana bodlamini. I think badlale kahle kakhulu because emuva siyambona uMaxaba naye bekumdlali solid bamletha ngapha ka right today baletha ucele ka left, but nangu uKobedi udlala center back la khona simbona kwangathi ba defender nga3 kahle because uKobedi beka add going forward kancane anikeza
mhlawumbe natural is a midfield.
Is a midfield, yes. Anikeza mhlawumbe lo mdlalo ofana nabondwandwe ukuthi badlale nabo sibiya going forward uyabona because bebanganaso strike. Uma ungabheka bebadlala ngabadlali mhlawumbe ngathi
Kona bathi uNhlanhla. I think it was the furthest forward central, and then on the right Umtati, on the left uSibiya.
Yeah. So then kuba noDlamini la.
Ngobe koDlamini in the midfield.
In the midfield adlale nomdlalo ufana noNdwandwe. But uma ungabheka beka drop ngapha. uma ungabheka uma bafika ku-final third kuba khona nama-run abawenzayo because bese bafika ku-striking force ngathi ba-strike abayi-3 uma ungabheka because umdlalo ofana nomthande beka-attack-a ngale then nangu nomdlalo ofana nosibiya ngapha nayo ya-attack-a so I think bacale kahle kakhulu but second half i-Pirates ibiyayi-change le game kuleko uma ungabheka the way Pirates idlale ngakhona second half ku-introduce abadlali abafana nabo ubani lo the striker se-Pirates lesi umabasa I think ucoach uyiplayne kahle
Did you understand why they started with Radiopane instead of Umabasa? Do you understand why that happened?
Yeah, ngiyacabanga mhlawumbe uma alethe umdlalo ofana no Radiopane ucoach we-Orlando Pirates mhlawumbe abadlali abafana nomabasa badlala ngahle abadingi kuleya game esiya kuyo because khumbula ukuthi mangabe uyofika la khona mhlambe bakorele icala uzomdinga umdlalo ofana nomabasa ucoach Orlando Pirates ungibonise kona kuleko ukucala ngale lineup ukuthi mina bengicanga ngathi akekho serious ngaleyo ndlela uwina Nedbank Cup but le lineup le yakutshela ukuthi hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe uchange because of unikeza abadlali game time is because of uyayifuna le final remember Mfukeng unelo I think unama suspension if namhlanje bekangadlala athole yellow card bekazoba suspended kule game eChiefs uyabona so kusho kona ukuthi uyiplanele igame efinal uyayifuna ifinal because siyabona abanye abadlali barestile abo China obarestile namhlanje uxoki ngiyacabanga uzaba khona because I think beka serve ilona yakhe yokugcina namhlanje since athola red card ngiyacabanga second match yakhe today so uyayifuna ifinal ngiyabona ukuthi the way lineup yakhe ayilethe ngakhona but kuhle kakhulu Nkuleko ukuthi a change lineup bese athola ama results so ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma ngabe iPirates idlala ngalendlela le inikeza abanye abadlali baletha ama results it's good because akusimanga kuma team anga change I lineup ngalendlela bese ithola ama results so give credit ku coach Rivero but unfortunately coach Manqoba I think uqale kahle kakhulu but second half azange ayithole lento mhlawumbe ayifuna give I wanna say give credit kumdlalo ofana no Kimvuti I think udlala kahle kakhulu today
Absolutely.
udlala kahle kakhulu Kimvuti uma ungabheka bekuumuntu ohluphayo bekatholakala nje kuwo lama side ungabheka uyangena phakathi uyabuya operator lela side lama half chance enkuluma ngawo abuye ngawo ku Orlando Pirates bekabuya kulelo side la Kimvuti so ngiyacabanga abadlala kahle kakhulu
Yeah, good confidence booster for a final because they beat Chiefs on the weekend. They beat Arrows now. 1+1 in football is not always equals 2, but the players will feel psyched up psychologically. Ukuthi we have a good momentum going to the final.
Yeah, I think going to the final kulego le game motivate noma ngamuphi umdlali ukuthi mhlawumbe udlale kanjani uma ubuya la kule game angiboni man because of bonke abadlali when you play iDerby ngiyacabanga ukuthi baswitcha on from day one kuma preparation bonke abadlali igame namhlanje yes bebakhona ngokubakhona la but bayayicabanga igame eDerby because remember it's a derby plus the final ikayi2 and it's not just a derby ukuthi badlalele igame it's a cup final le Nedbank so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bonke amacembu ayo ready Kaizer Chiefs restile Orlando Pirates nayo sayibona restisa abanye abadlali siyabona uTito bamlethile namhlanje ucoach ulethe umdlalo ofana noTito kusho ukuthi uyamprepare for igame eDerby ngiyacabanga uTito uzawuba khona kule Derby ngendlela ngibona ngakhona because beyangadlali all along nje kulama game esibiya kuwo but manje njengoba bamletha kule game ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyamprepare so sizobona igame emnandi man kuleko kule Derby ya Saturday.
Do you think it would have made any difference if Pirates lost today? Njengoba usho ukuthi nanoma Chiefs idliwe it doesn't matter they're going to the final so to Derby Pirates that's why I'm saying in football 1+1 is not always equals 2 because they beat Chiefs in the last 2 games, beat Chiefs, beat Arrows. Going into the final, you would think that's positive momentum. But do you think even if they had lost or won, it makes no difference? The players would have just wanted to play in the final?
Obvious Nkuleko. Even if bebaluzile or benzani, iDerby bezohamba iDerby kule game ebaya kuyo. Khumbula ukuthi iPirates ifuna ukubreak le record lokuwina iNedbank Cup. I-defend kayi-3 in a row. Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ukuthi kungapheli exactly le 10 years since welwazi ukuthi se 9 years and 11 months namalanga but bafuna ukuthi bangayihlanganisi le 10 years so kuyoba nzima ngeke kubelula Nkuleko ngiyacabanga ukuthi siyobukela enye igame emnandi kakhulu Nkuleko Saturday.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Ubobo. That's Orlando Pirates beating Golden Arrows. Now, anyone, I hate this about our culture, this thing of looking at the results and thinking that it's 2 Pirates, 1 Arrows, and then it's like, but it was always going to happen. Now, if you watch the game itself, you will understand this game was complicated for Pirates. In fact, Golden Arrows has a shout to say they should have won because the first half, whatever the ball position reflects, the match we saw, the first 30 minutes was on the half of Orlando Pirates. So this culture of only looking at results and saying, they were always going to beat Pirates, Pirates were always going to beat Arrows, That's the beauty of watching live matches on SuperSport, on SABC1, is that you get to see something unfold in real time. And every single time, it shocks you, it surprises you slightly because it's a live match. Whether or not the team you thought was going to win won, it's not exactly how you thought it was going to happen. So well done to Golden Arrows, at least providing a fight to Orlando Pirates, although the most favorable result historically has happened. Golden Arrows really gave themselves to this game, especially in the first 45 minutes. Itiski TV, Itiski Times, was betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Sharp kunjani bafowethu, igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.